Are you a one who is going to write Jan 2026 CA Inter Exam Group 2? These exciting offers are just for you. The first exciting offer is CA Inter Group 2 Workout Batch, which is free of cost. The second exciting offer is CA Aslam P. Latif partnering with Ashwin Talks to provide Group 2 whole classes at just rupees 4,999. It is an initial launch offer only. It will be available only for first 10 students. Okay. The last worthful and exciting offer I am going to give you is my CA Inter auditing notes. You don't need to believe anything blindly. I'll show you by myself. This is module 1 of CA Inter auditing. The whole study material concept is covered in a question and answer approach format in just 50 pages. This will be a lifesaver for you between the days during your exams. The same kind of question and approach format we have also taken for the module 2 CA Inter auditing, which is also covered in around 50 pages. So the whole ICAI study material for CA Inter auditing, which have more than 500 pages, is just covered in 100 pages for both the modules. Trust me, I have given my whole blood and sweat for many months to prepare this material. As you can see, the whole chapter is drafted in such a way that it is covering both MCQs and the descriptive questions. And if you want a demo video on my CA Inter auditing concept notes, which will be a lifesaver for you, please comment demo. I'll send you the video of the same. Worth of this book is 500 rupees. But if you are mentioning two of your CA aspirant friends, you will be getting this book just at rupees 249, which will be only limited to first 25 students and only for limited days.